Are you the owner of an IKEA kitchen tap? If you are, then you've probably experienced reduced flow. And especially for a kitchen tap or even a laundry tap, that's actually quite frustrating. Yeah, what can you do about it? Well, you can fix it. Um, it turns out that most IKEA kitchen tapware and laundry tapware have an aerator and a flow limiter, and it looks like this. It's I think it's supposed to be called a Tom Thumb flow limiter or something like that, but this actually exists at the end of the tap. You need to use a 5-cent piece, Australian 5-cent piece, to unscrew that, and that's it's gone flying. That's what it looks like. So this is what you need to adjust to restore full flow to your IKEA tap. So if you look more closely, this is the side that usually faces out with the water coming out. There is this white cap, and if you look behind it, you'll see something green in there. In fact, I've got one which I prepared earlier. This is the flow limiter from inside the tap. So it's actually fairly simple to fix, but there is a trick to it. So I fell for that trick in the first place, because you think, all I need to do is pop the white piece off like that using a sharp knife, and Bob's your uncle. So let's do that, and it's actually giving me grief, but there you go. And you think, very good, hang on, where's that green thing? It's inside there. I can't pop it out. That seems to be one big piece. So that's not what you do. So that's a tip for young players. In fact, what you need to do is remove this white mesh here, which happens to be locked in just there. So that's where you need to pop your knife, and that white little cover from the inside pops out. Oh, that's gone flying, but I'll return it here. There it is, and there you see the flow limiter, and all you need to do is knock it out and then place the lid back on, click it in. There you go. You can pop that back into your IKEA tap. It will continue to work like it should. It will aerate, but you'll have full flow. Thank you very much. I hope that is helpful.